24 Sportage, and I like that look. Radio here and speedometer there, but we don't care about that. We'll get to that later. We are doing cabin filter. So here's your glove box. Here's your tools. Here's the slow-mo. Oh, pop this puppy out. All right, and you're going to squeeze this in. Squeeze this in. Now you don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. You don't have to. I'm doing it with one arm, but you don't have to pull this guy down or out. Don't pull him out of the socket. You probably could. I don't want to. But if you do, let's see what happens. Yeah, see, it just pops back in. You got that little straight notch. And this guy, if you look closely, has a straight notch. So you can if you want to, whatever. But you don't have to. Squeeze, passenger side, driver side out, air flows downward, and there you have it. Brand spanking new. And within a minute, you got a new cabin air filter. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.